ladies from PJ.
Cause your time no be my time.
Yeah, it's your girl Jane Lonnie.
Turn your dark to light.
Shining, they don't wanna see you shining. Bright like a diamond. You're the hater when they see a nigga styling. Trying, gotta keep trying. See, it's all in the grinding. Yeah, it's all in the timing. Yeah, now, who's hot, who's not? Tell me who rock, who sell out the stores. You tell me who flop, my tunes they blew up. No new friends, we brought the crew up. Starting real hard cause life is too short. Yeah, shout out to Too Short. Living my life, I'm moving through blocks and running through walls and never give up.
Through these walls, we gon' have to move on. No retreat, no surrender. I got the energy, power on me. We're gonna take me places. This life not the best. If you live and think I'm twice, baby, you know they don't. You will live your life. My child, give me, cause your time no be my time. Oh, but what you darling for? Turn your dark to light.
There'll be storms, there'll be trials, yeah they do come. Gotta stay strong though the week's long. Gotta play coach, keep the team on. When you witching for the stars, you ain't willing to chill. Go double on the hustle cause the struggle is real. Young God, tell me how do you feel? When you're out in the field, it's cool well in the field. Vulture, settle in, and they're willing to kill. The cold nights nearly caught me a chill. It was hard to keep on, I'm just keeping it real. But a couple real ones, they gon' know how to feel. Yeah, we hit the motorbikes, you know, the great ones. Fake ones, snake ones, take one. Put your shades on, blowing on the great one. No plan B, my nigga, I made one. I live my life, amen.
Through these walls, we gon' have to move on. No retreat, no surrender. I got the energy, power on me. We're gonna take me places. This life not the best. If you live and think I'm twice, baby, you know they don't. You will live your life. My child, give me, cause your time no be my time. Oh, but what you darling for? Turn your dark to light.
If they gon' hate so. You worry about me, I ain't think about you. Living my life is all I do. Got love for the crew cause the friends have you. Rough diamond that shines so
bright. Hi guys and welcome to my flat tour. I have been promising this for ages. It's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to maybe point out some highlights in each room and just show you guys around kinda. So if you didn't know, for the last month or so I have been renovating my flat. I actually started last year with converting one of the bedrooms into a studio. The smaller bedroom, I have a 2-bedroom flat in Hampshire and it's quite a small flat. I bought it 3 years ago and I just wanted to get it up to a standard that I needed it to be at for myself. When I was traveling and I was renting it out, I didn't obviously put money into it, but now that I'm back home and this is really my living space, I wanted to upgrade it and I feel like I have. I'm super proud, I'm super happy with it. And a few months ago, maybe like 5-6 months ago, I obviously found out that I had like a whole thread dedicated to me, people trying to tear me down and, you know, saying some really jacked up ish about me, talking about I had imaginary money. Thank you. And I remember when I shot a video about that, like I quit. I was like, I'm gonna use the stones they threw at me to build my castle, and I literally have. It's not like some fabulous place, but it's mine. I worked hard to get it. I paid for it all myself, so I'm super pleased and I'm going to take you guys around the tour. So at the moment I'm in my living room, which is also like my living room / bedroom space. So if you look behind me, you'll see my bed. So this is actually, I guess, the living room of the property, but this has always been my bedroom. So just this month I decided, or last month now, January, I decided to turn this into an actual living space, and I split the room into 2. So over here we have the living space, which is so cool. Like, I'm super proud of that. And then behind me the bedroom space, which is nothing too special just yet. I'm still working on that, so I won't really take you guys through that. But the living space is just everything. Like, a lot of the stuff that I got was from Home Sense. So the cushions, the sofa, the throne, all from Home Sense. This bit where you can put your feet up. I watch a lot of movies here. So comfortable. And then this is my view when I'm obviously sat on the sofa just watching TV. It's super cool. The drawers are also from HomeSense. Most of the stuff on the drawers are from HomeSense, but the wardrobes are actually from Argos. So this is pretty much my living space. It's super comfortable, super epic. I love the decor. It's very much gold, silver grey, and then a splash of whatever, I'm not even sure what colour that is, like a emeraldy blue, if that's like a thing. So yeah, because it is like my bedroom space as well, I had to get mirrors in, I had to get cupboards in here, and I chose these ones from Argos because they don't have handles and they just mirror doors, so they actually don't really look too much like wardrobes in my opinion, which is perfect. And because they are mirrored, they do make the space look a little bit bigger as well. Now if I come over here where we can peek into my kitchen, I'm really proud of this window because it wasn't here before. So I had the builder break down this wall to give me like a window into my kitchen, and then I painted these wooden shutters that obviously makes it private. I can close them anytime I want. But it was just really good because I've got quite a small kitchen, so it's lovely to have that space, and I really wanted to have that option to be watching TV from my kitchen and just have it very sociable. When this is no longer my bedroom, this would be lovely to have the living room and kitchen just open all the time. Maybe get some high bar stools right here and you can just sit and talk to whoever's cooking in the kitchen. So let me take you in there right now. So we're leaving the bedroom straight living space, and then we're coming into my corridor. Let me just turn the lights on in here because I actually had the floors done in here. There used to be this really awful carpet. I just had that done. This little piece here is from HomeSense and I really like it. It's like a really nice greeting table when you walk into the property, and then the mirrors hanging on the wall. I had that since I moved in. I did it myself. I love it. So as I said, the kitchen is pretty small, but it's absolutely gorgeous. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I wanted gold accents, and at the moment rose gold accents are pretty much the thing. Everywhere's rose gold, rose gold, rose gold. So I really had to shop around to get all these gold bits, but I found everything that I wanted. Like, they're pretty expensive. I think they were like 80 quid, but they just look so glamorous and so pretty. I got these as well. They're just for decoration. Nobody uses them. Everything in this kitchen is brand new. So even the salt shakers, gold and silver, that's all brand new. Microwave's brand new. I got some really nice cooking books here. Gold accents everywhere. I really wanted a wine rack because I just feel like wine racks make a space look very homely but very elegant as well. These pieces are from Blaupunkt, my microwave and my toaster and my kettle, and yeah, really lucky to find them in the right shade of gold. And then the kitchen itself, I actually bought it from IKEA. I've got like a marble effect worktop in white and grey all the way across, and then I've got a very sleek finish with the white doors with the gold handles. So that is super cute. Just got these as well, just a bit of decorative kitchenware, some oils, chili oils, balsamic vinegar. And then I kept the kitchen units that I had before. So I had the washing machine before, I had the fridge freezer before as well. Well, I had it when I bought the property. I bought it when I bought the property. The oven and the cooker I kept, but everything else is pretty much brand new. I love my kitchen space. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm always posting me cooking now. It's just gorgeous to stand in here and just peer into the living space. I absolutely love it. Like, yeah, let me know if you guys think I did a good job. Hopefully I can inspire. I really love the gold accents. That just bangs. That just bangs. And then lastly, but very briefly, into my studio space. You guys have already seen the tour of this. So it's awesome, obviously, to have this space to myself. This is a single bedroom. There is also a double bedroom here, which is, I guess, the master suite. But my housemate uses that at the moment. But eventually I will take that back and that will be my room. And I'll probably convert the part where I use as my bedroom into an office studio. And then this room will be for my little baby. when I finally get myself a little baby. So I have not shown you the double bedroom obviously because that's somebody else's room, and I'm also not showing you guys the bathroom because that's not been done, but I just finally got a quick back today for that. So once I'm back from Asia, I will get the bathroom done and I will show you guys everything. So that is my tour. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's a pretty small flat. I love it. There you guys are. It's nothing too special, but it's my space. I love it. I'm thankful for you guys that support me. When I did that I quit video, I think I had about 11,000 subscribers, and now I'm well on my way to 17,000. Just a little reminder not to let the haters ever get you down or let them block your blessings, because I was so determined that, like, nah, I will have the last laugh. And also somebody posted in December, a few days before I started the work here, that how come you say you own a property but you only ever film in that tiny room of yours. Well sis, here you go. Thank you very much. I'm just me. We are looking good, we are feeling good. Let me know what you guys think of my space below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Besos.